can I borrow your flashlight?
Yeah, sure, here you
Oh,
go.
oh, thanks. Oh, wait. Where's your secret passage?
It's that way, to the right, take another right. There's a door there, you can't miss it.
Thanks, man. Oh, let's go. Wow, this is really messy. Somebody needs to clean it. Maybe hire a maid or something. Well, hey, looks like somebody's already been through the secret passage. That's weird. Oh well. Whoa, this is their secret ammo supplies. Yeah. It's a door. Oh, there's the doorknob. Let's open it. Oh. Oh my gosh. What was that? Oh my gosh, that was the bad guy. I must have killed him when I opened the door. Hey, cool. I want to go kill. Ow, fucking. Hey guys. Oh. Ow.